Welcome to Learn Geoscience. Today we will explore why gold is so important for the world. Some of you may be shocked to hear that gold has cosmic origins and is not formed on Earth. Its heavy nucleus requires the immense energy of neutron star collisions, a process known as rapid neutron capture. Most original gold sank to Earth's core. The gold we access today arrived during the Late Heavy Bombardment, roughly 4 billion years ago, via meteorites. Gold has unique physical properties, including being one of the densest and most malleable metals. It is a noble metal, meaning it is chemically inert and does not corrode. The color of gold is due to relativistic effects. Gold's heavy nucleus accelerates inner electrons, causing it to absorb blue light and reflect the warm yellow and red spectrums. As a noble metal, gold is unique because it can remain buried or submerged for thousands of years and emerge as shiny as the day it was formed. If we talk about its applications, it's immense. Gold is vital for modern applications like electronics due to its conductivity. In space, it reflects harmful radiation. Gold nanoparticles are also used in cutting-edge medicine. By the numbers, gold has an unmistakable heft. At 19.3 grams per cc, its extreme density is nearly double that of lead, which is used to separate it during panning. Thank you for watching this video. The content was provided by Learn Geoscience. To stay updated with more science content, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video.